Good morning, everybody. It's Janae here at Use the Medicine. You guys, I want to show you what I'm putting in my smoothie this morning, but I want to encourage you guys to do something every single day that nourishes your body, okay? Do you realize that we are living beings, and living beings require live nutrients? The food we eat has been processed, deprived of nutrients. It's so bad for us, and we are sick, and we have issues, and our immune systems are not working and functioning properly. So what can we do, okay? So let's start with you guys making a smoothie or a green drink. I suggest alternating between the two and try it out once a day, at least for a couple times a week. Maybe do a smoothie one day, maybe do a green drink one day, and do that as for your breakfast, okay? Make the first thing that you do in the morning, whatever it is, that it's gonna set your day off in the right path. If you have a donut or some sort of sugar, that's what you will be craving for the rest of the day. Now, if you have healthy sugar, such as a fruit, that's okay, you guys. It's nutrients. It's good for you. It's going to set your day in the right path. So smoothies are good. Same with blending up some vegetables. I always suggest starting your day off with a full glass of warm water, whether it is putting some lemon in that water. You can even drink a glass of warm tea and add some lemon to it. Starting your day off like that helps restart your metabolism and your digestive system on a right track. Then make your smoothie or your green drink. I highly suggest you guys do these things. You'll feel so much better. And you may say, Janae, it takes a lot of time. I don't have that much money to buy vegetables or whatever. I don't like the taste of it. Please do something about it, okay? We are living in a time where we need to wake up and pay attention to our health. If all that's happening out there is not making you pay attention to your body, then you gotta do something. Something's gotta happen. You gotta pay attention. Remember, our bodies are strong. We are capable of so many wonderful things. Our immune systems and our bodies are beasts, you guys. We can fight anything, but it can't fight things if it doesn't have the proper nutrients. If we eat only processed foods and drink soda and sugar, there's nothing in that. No nutrients whatsoever. So please, let's give our bodies nutrients. So I'm going to show you guys my smoothie this morning, and I change it up all the time, but I always try to add in a vegetable, a couple kinds of fruits, a fat, a seed, and some superfoods. So superfoods could be anything between like nutritional yeast, bee pollen, maybe some maca powder, some spirulina, hemp seeds, anything like that. Just look up a good list of superfoods. Goji berries, cacao nibs, all these different things you can add to your smoothies. Some raw almonds, some raw cashews, camu powder. There's so many different things. And you guys, I know that changing your lifestyle and trying to be healthy could be overwhelming. Start with one thing at a time. I promise you, life will be better, okay? I've come from a place where I wasn't healthy, and I can tell you with so much love in my heart and so much passion that it is possible to heal and be healthy, all right? And when we feel healthy, we are not scared of anything, especially a virus, okay? So remember that. Yes. All right, I'm gonna just show you this couple of things I'm putting in my smoothie today, and it's not very complicated. At least I don't think so. I hope not. I made it simple. So I cut up some pineapple. So here's some pineapple, and I have a Vitamix. If you guys have a blender, I suggest a Vitamix because it blends really well and it makes it just like a juice, and it's not so thick. As you can see, it's broken. So pineapple, I have a banana, I have this salad mix that I put in there, and it's got like dandelion greens and spinach and arugula, all sorts of things in there. I'm going to add some hemp seeds to my smoothie. Hemp seeds are full of protein and amino acids. They've got some magnesium, not magnesium, maybe magnesium, yeah, magnesium, good source of magnesium and potassium, a lot of minerals. Hemp seeds do not contain THC, so don't worry about that. And they're a really good balance of our omega-3s and omega-6s, which is really good for our heart and inflammation. Okay, I'm gonna also add in some sunflower seeds. Now you guys, this may not taste good. I'm not really sure how it's gonna taste, but I'm just showing you a little bit what I do. Sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a really strong antioxidant. And antioxidants, let me tell you guys, I hope you guys pay attention to this. Antioxidants are so important all the time, right now, especially with a virus. If a virus causes oxidation, we probably need antioxidants because it's antioxidant, right? Okay. Next, I am going to add some coconut oil. You guys, coconut oil is very, very important to have on hand. Why do I add coconut oil to my smoothies or even my green drinks? And I'll tell you why, and I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Coconut oil is really a healthy fat. It's so good for our heart, our skin, our hair, our bodies, and inflammation. But what's so important about coconut oil is about 50% lauric acid. Lauric acid is then converted in our bodies to monolaurin. Monolaurin is what is in breast milk that helps babies fight off viruses and bacteria. So if we can eat something that has that sort of power to it to help us fight those things off, why not add a little, right? Next reason why I add some sort of fat to my smoothies, coconut oil, could be any sort of oil, olive oil, even hemp seeds, is because when you're making a smoothie or a green drink, we have so many different vitamins. Now we have water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, and B vitamins, but then we have fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, K, E need fat in order to absorb. So I always add some sort of fat to my smoothie to kind of make it balanced so I can have a way to absorb those nutrients. So you guys, I'm also going to add in some whey protein powder. Now I like this stuff because I feel like, I mean, maybe they don't process it right, but I try to do as best as I can. It's grass-fed, from grass-fed cows. And you guys, amino acids are so important, okay? We need amino acids. We need them to help with our hormones. We need them for our brain. We need them to help with our digestive tract, for our immune system. We need them to help with glutathione production. And you guys, that brings me to my next thing. Let me get my almond milk. I use almond milk as my base. Now, glutathione is so important. If we're not having a diet rich in vegetables and fruit, we do not have proper glutathione levels. If our livers are full of toxins from medications, pollutions, bad eating, processed foods, high fructose corn syrup, we are not producing glutathione. If you guys research glutathione and what it is, you will be blown away of all the research that's out there, and for some reason, no one's talking about it. Kind of weird, isn't it? Glutathione is our body's master antioxidant. It is a powerful antioxidant. If our glutathione levels were really high and great, we wouldn't have a problem right now in this world. So please research glutathione and look it up. There are lots of things out there. You guys, happy smoothie making. Please make your smoothies. Please make your green drinks. Do it for you. You will feel good. Bye.